In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer from MetaMask to Phantom Wallet. We'll move through the process end to end so you can safely send crypto from MetaMask and have it arrive in your Phantom Wallet without surprises. The key idea is simple. Copy your receiving address from Phantom on the correct network, then send the matching token from MetaMask on that same network, making sure you have enough native gas to cover the transaction. Start by opening your Phantom extension. Before you do anything else, look at the network selector at the top of Phantom and make sure you're on the chain you intend to receive on. Phantom supports multiple networks, including Solana, and select EVM chains like Ethereum and Polygon, and your address changes depending on the network. EVM addresses typically start with 0x, while Solana addresses look different. If the network doesn't match what you plan to send from MetaMask, switch it now so you copy the right address. Next, in Phantom, click Receive. You'll see your wallet address for the currently selected network. Copy that address to your clipboard. This is your public address for deposits. It's safe to share for receiving funds, but never share your secret recovery phrase. Before you leave Phantom, glance at the first and last few characters of the address so you can verify it after pasting. Now open MetaMask. Choose the same network you just selected in Phantom. This part is crucial. Funds must travel on the same chain. For example, if you selected Ethereum in Phantom, select Ethereum in MetaMask. Then pick the exact token you want to send on that network. Keep in mind that tokens with the same name can exist on multiple chains, but they are not interchangeable across networks. If you intend to move assets between different chains, you would need a bridge, which isn't covered in this walkthrough. Click Send in MetaMask, paste the Phantom address you copied earlier into the recipient field, and double-check those first and last characters to confirm it matches. Enter the amount you want to transfer, then review the gas fee. Gas is the network fee paid to process your transaction, and it varies by chain and network activity. Confirm the transaction when everything looks correct. Blockchain transfers are irreversible, so take a moment to review before you approve. Finally, be sure you hold the native token for gas on the network you're using. You'll need ETH for Ethereum, Matic for Polygon, and Sol for Solana. Without enough native balance, your transaction won't go through. After you confirm, wait for the network to finalize the transaction. In a short while, your funds should appear in Phantom. That's it. You've transferred from MetaMask to Phantom safely and correctly.